Positivity rate is now at over 9%. And this, of course, is prompting some big changes across many towns and cities in our state. We are also learning about some new guidance from the CDC on what you should do if you happen to come into close contact with someone who has COVID-19. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live now from one of the state's COVID testing sites in New Britain to break it all down for us. Audrey, will there be testing sites open today?
Nicole, this testing site will be open today. It opens at noon and will remain open until 7 o'clock. This is really kind of your last chance. Many of the sites will be closed tomorrow on Christmas as people gather with family and friends. And the CDC now is out with some new guidance for you to consider as you head to those holiday gatherings. They're saying that if you come into close contact with a case of COVID-19 and you're fully vaccinated, you don't have to quarantine if you are not presenting any symptoms. They do, however, recommend that you get tested. Now, if you are fully vaccinated, you come into close contact, and you do have symptoms, they're recommending that you quarantine, as many people have been doing so far throughout the pandemic. Now, this comes as Connecticut records 3,400 new cases of COVID-19 just in the last 24 hours. And now local cities and towns are trying to stop the spread. Westport and Norwalk have reinstated mask policies, and New Haven is scaling back some of their city-sponsored public events starting next week. Now, those are just some of the actions being taken by local government. If you want to visit a loved one in the hospital, well, there's one major healthcare system in the state that's imposing their own policies. I'll tell you about that coming up at 5:30. But for now, I'm reporting live in New Britain. Audrey Russo for Channel 3 Eyewitness News.